Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Namrat. Today we are unboxing something very exciting. The Agaro Supreme High Pressure Washer. Let's check out what's inside. First up, we have the inlet hose. This is what you will be connecting it to the water supply, and this is 3 meters long, which is decent. Then we have the spray gun with the nozzle. This is the main tool you'll be using during the cleaning. Has a really good solid build, not too heavy. We have a trigger grip with a smooth press and release. Next we have the extension rod, which gets connected to the spray gun. Here we have the user manual, foam bottle and other accessories. Not all brands provide foam bottle inside the box. This is surprising. And this is the outlet pipe. Looks durable, long enough for a decent reach. And here comes the main unit, the Agaro Supreme motor. It is a 1800 watt motor with 120 bar pressure. So the box contains the main unit and all other essential accessories like spray gun, inlet, outlet hose, etc. Now let's get started with the assembly. Here goes the outlet pipes getting attached to the spray gun. Make sure it's tightly locked. And in the pouch we have a foam bottle that can be connected to the gun. We also have a tap connector. This one is the inlet filter, which helps in trapping dust particles from entering the motor. We also have a bucket filter and an inlet connector. Finally, we also have a user manual which includes step-by-step guide on how to set up and connect and use safely. Let's couple the tap connector to the inlet hose. These parts get connected to your tap. Or we also can use the bucket filter, and this one is the bucket filter that can trap dust particles and avoid further damage. On the other end of the inlet hose goes the inlet connector. Now we attach the inlet filter. Okay, this one gets attached to the main unit. Make sure all components are secured tightly to avoid leakage. We now attach our 8-meter long outlet hose to the main unit. Make sure this is also intact. On the other end, I have attached our spray gun to the outlet hose. And here goes the extension rod. We also have the adjustable pressure nozzle. This is how it works. You can see it open and close. That's how it gonna adjust the pressure. Okay, all set. Let's go see the Agaro Supreme in action. As you can see, the pressure is very powerful, as we have 1800 watt motor with 120 bar pressure with the water flow rate of 6.5 liters per minute. Just look at that. It's easily blasting away all the dirt particles without any need of scrubbing. If you find this helpful, give it a like, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.